Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to transfer domain from IONOS to Hostinger. The process is quick and simple. You just have to follow me till the end. So let's get started. First, go to Hostinger's website and navigate to the domain section and start a domain transfer. You have to enter your domain name and complete the purchase. This includes a 1-year renewal. After doing all this process, move to the step number 2. Here's log into your IONOS account. Go to domain and SSL, select your domain, then click renewal transfer. Now disable the domain transfer, lock and WHOIS privacy if enabled. And then move to step number 3. Still under renewal and transfer, click show authorization code to get your EPP code, copy and save it safely. Now, in IONOS, go to Nameserver settings, choose to use custom Nameservers and enter. This helps prevent downtime during the transfer. Return to Hostinger. In the transfer section, you enter your domain name and EPP code, then submit the transfer request. After that, in step number 7, Hostinger will send a confirmation mail to your domain's registered contact. Open it and follow the instructions to approve the transfer. Now, the transfer may take up to 7 days to complete. Once done, you will receive a confirmation and your domain will be fully managed through Hostinger's HP panel. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.